1 year. That's all it takes to become completely unrecognizable. Right now, you wake up tired. You scroll. You wait. You tell yourself tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You're not lazy. You're just lost. But what if you chose differently? Just once. What if today was day 1? No excuses, no noise, just you and the work. 365 days later, your body is stronger, your mind is sharper, you think differently, you move differently. People notice, but more importantly, you notice. The version of you that once gave up is gone. This is your life, not a rehearsal. Start today or stay the same forever. The man who builds himself builds everything.